Hey y'all, hey, this your girl Tonetta. I hope everybody's doing well. I'm here today actually making some natural deodorant because I love making my deodorants. I've always made them since, well, not always, but I've been making them probably for the last between 5 and 10 years. I'm not even sure how long, somewhere in that area. Once I read about deodorants and how they, of course, had all those cancer-causing agents and stuff like that. So I started making my own. What I use my simple ingredients at home. I have my recipe written down. It's 5 to 6 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1/4 cup of baking powder, and 1/4 cup of cornstarch. And that's what I've been using for the last many years, making my own deodorants. And I put it into my little containers. You see, I barely have any left in there. So I had to make some more. So I want to show y'all the process. So hold 1 second, y'all. Well, actually, don't hold, but just let me show you what I'm using. Here's the cornstarch, and this is the cornstarch. I actually have like a little bit left in there. So I have another cornstarch that I'll be using majority of this because this is almost gone. So like I said, the homemade baking soda is already open. Let me take it out the package here, y'all. There we go. Baking soda, and just some coconut oil. And I have some coconut oil. You can use it. It doesn't have to be organic unless you want it to be. That's up to you. This is what I always use. So this is what I usually make my deodorant with. So here we go, y'all. The only things you'll need to use is a tablespoon. And, of course, make sure that you have a container to put your deodorant in. I have a butter knife so I can scoop out the darn coconut oil. A fork to stir everything with. And a 1/4 of a cup to, of course, to measure out my dry ingredients, y'all. I actually doubled my recipe. So I have 10 tablespoons of coconut oil. A 1/2 cup of baking soda. Lord, baking soda, and a 1/2 cup of cornstarch. And like I said, all you do from here is just stir it up until everything is mixed. Okay, y'all, I am done with my homemade deodorant. And like I said, this is how it looks for me. Like I said, it looks like to me, because I love to bake and stuff like that. So it looks like some homemade icing. That's the consistency that it is for me. So, but like I said, this is very easy to make. I make my homemade deodorants all the time. There's some folks that actually put essential oils in here. I just don't because I never have done that before. I don't know how to interact with my skin and my underarm. So I haven't. But you can put a few drops in there if you like, y'all. So I love, like I said, I love to make my own homemade deodorant. Like I said, years ago when I learned about, and all I did was just research all the ingredients on the back of my regular deodorant bottle. I think I was using Secret or Dove at the time. I forgot which one. But and the Arid, I think I was using that too. And they all stopped. Actually, like I said, they have all types of chemicals in there, but they all stopped working for me. And I had to find something that worked. And this is the only thing since then that has worked. Was this natural, homemade, easy deodorant. So y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video.